Hey everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I have something really cool and new I want to show you, because in the last videos I showed you some crazy AI simulations in bigger cities, and now I want to give you a deep dive in the possibilities and other cool use cases of those AI characters.
Hello and welcome to Bollig Consulting. Marcus is currently in a meeting, but I can show you already our office if you want.
Yes, sure.
Okay, then please follow me. I will now guide you through the office and show you the different rooms. This is the sales hub. Here you can connect with our community and ask any questions related to sales.
What you saw here is one of many demos of a virtual office tour I made some months ago. But why should companies decide to build those applications? We all know it when we are looking for a new job or also want to learn more about companies. Every company have a similar flat and boring 2D website which have an average watch time of just some seconds. They maybe also send you some more information in a PowerPoint or PDF, and which you never open up basically. And the best case is that they have a funny 1-minute explaining video of their service, but actually almost no companies currently focus on interactive experience which build up trust, set you apart of the competition to stay in the mind of your audience in long term. And that's what I want to show you in today's video. It will be the future of how we engage with brands and companies we want to work with. In the future, you don't need to read through a lot of text or watch the next boring explainer video anymore. What we have here is virtual office simulation powered with Unreal Engine and Convai AI characters. You can actually talk with and ask questions. It will be interactive, and those AI characters can be HR managers explaining you the company, but also the individual team members who can talk about their job and what they like about it. But also, when you want to focus on shorten your sales cycles, you can easily create AI testimonials where you can ask questions about the cooperation and how the work was. But let me show you some demos.
Are you looking for advice or assistance with tax-related matters? I can certainly help with that.
Yes.
Excellent. What kind of help do you need? Are you looking for advice regarding tax strategies, restructuring, or conversions, or do you have any other queries?
Restructuring.
Great. Restructuring can be a great way to reduce your tax burden. I can help you understand the process and how it can benefit your business. What specific concerns or questions do you have?
How does the process look like?
The process of restructuring is complex, but straightforward. We will first discuss your business and financial goals. Then, we will analyze your current business structure and identify potential areas for improvement. After that, we will create a customized plan for restructuring. Finally, we will implement the plan and provide ongoing support and advice.
How does this benefit my company?
Restructuring can help reduce your company's tax burden, improve its credit rating, and increase its reputation with banks and credit institutions. It can also help you save money in the long run. Additionally, restructuring can help you optimize your business operations and make them more efficient. Those simulations show employees the job, so they already know the team, the people they work with, they know everything about the company, and they have a clear picture about what they are applying for. And this will also give you better employees who will stay and don't jump off directly again in the next month. And this also helps you to automatically pre-qualify the applicants by doing gamified quizzes and stuff like that. But also in sales, those showrooms can be a digital roadshow where you start asking the CEO NPC questions about the company, and he gives you a tour through the office. And you can also meet the team and customer testimonials to get a clear picture about how, for example, digital services are structured and what the process and workflow will be, and so you can be sure that you will get the same result like other testimonials before did it. Here you can also see a demo how a Hall of Fame, for example, could look like, where you can
represent successful customers you already helped and who talk about their experience with you and how you helped them.
This is our Hall of Fame. Here you can ask our customers questions about their experience with us and how we help them to scale their business. Hey there, my name is Fabian. Would you like to learn more about my story and the work with Bollig Consulting?
Yes, sure. Hey, who are you?
Hi there, I'm Fabian Grunman, founder and CEO of Neox Entertainment GmbH. We help service providers and agencies in highly competitive industries differentiate themselves from the crowd and build trust by using virtual 3D showrooms, thereby reducing their sales cycles by 40% within 3-4 months.
How did you met Andreas Baulig?
In 2022, I won the Tiger Award for the best startup at Contra. At that time, I was still in training and had no employees. At the event, I met Artur Bill, who is also a customer of yours, and he introduced me to your booth. There, I had a conversation with Arbin, and it became clear to me what else is possible in my industry. That's when I decided to fully start my business.
And the use cases are almost unlimited. I'm sure you also have many ideas how something like that could look like. So when you have any ideas, definitely let me know it in the comments. Then I can present you all more showcases about that soon. The last showcase I have for today's video are virtual store clerks who can help you finding the right product in a virtual shop. And this would be cool for both physical but also digital products, which are a bit more complex, which you need to explain and where people maybe also will have more questions to ask before they completely understand the product. So the AI will ask questions about your needs and then help you find the right product for you. And once you find the right product, the AI can also help you to understand the product better. So you can also ask questions back basically to fully understand it.
Hey, welcome to Art of Sports. How can I help you today? Are you searching something specific?
I'm looking for shoes.
Okay, then please follow me. I will now show you our selection of shoes. This is our collection of shoes. Let me know if you have any further questions about any shoe.
Which type of shoes do you have?
We have running shoes, basketball shoes, tennis shoes, and more. We also have a variety of styles, including sneakers, dress shoes, and sandals. What type of shoe are you looking for?
I'm looking for running shoes.
No problem. We have a great selection of running shoes. What size are you looking for?
Which shoes do you have, for example?
We have a great selection of shoes, including Nike Air Jordans, Adidas Ultra Boosts, and New Balance Fresh Foams. We also have a wide variety of colors and sizes. Which type of shoe are you interested in?
I like the Nike shoes.
Great! We have a wide selection of Nike shoes, including the popular Air Jordan line. Do you have a specific style in mind?
Can you explain more about the Air Jordan line?
Sure. The Air Jordan line was created by Nike in April 1985. It has become a classic over the years. With iconic styles and colors, the shoes are designed for basketball, but have become popular for many other sports and activities. Prices typically range from, depending on the style and size.
And those AI characters can also get set up as an interactive, web-based 3D ad. And with those 3D advertisings, you can also stand out from the crowd, because everyone just have an annoying video or an annoying pop-up banner basically. But when you have an interactive 3D ad, this can also set you apart and boost the clicks on the ad basically. Because we live in times where we have a lot of competitors in special markets basically, and that's why it gets hard to stand out from the crowd, because everyone today already have a good looking website, do social media, have testimonial videos or an explainer video. But if you want to stand out from the crowd today, then I would be happy to help you with that. What I can offer you is that I take 15 minutes of my time to analyze your use case and company and If everything fits, then I will take additional 1 hour of my time to work out a free concept of how those AI characters can also benefit your business and enhance your website.
Hallo, ich bin André, der virtuelle Verkaufsleiter von Dyson. Ich bin hier, um Ihnen bei der Auswahl des perfekten Haushaltsgeräts zu helfen. Wie kann ich Ihnen heute helfen? Ich verstehe, dass Sie mehr über das Dyson-Zone-Gerät wissen möchten. Es ist ein intelligenter Luftreiniger, der in der Lage ist, die Luft in Ihrem Zuhause effektiv zu reinigen. Mit der integrierten Key kann es Schadstoffe und Allergene erkennen und auch auf Ihre Bedürfnisse anpassen.
So what are you waiting for? Book your free strategy session over the link in the description, and really, you don't have nothing to lose but much to win. Contact me today to benefit from this as an early adopter, and I'm looking forward to also work out an individual plan for your company. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.